Scenario: a student has a list of forces and wants to determine which ones are contact forces caused by microscopic interaction. Question: select which one is a contact force caused by microscopic interaction. Here, you first have to understand what a microscopic interaction is. A, it is basically an atom together with some molecules right here, okay, interacting with another molecule here. As long as it behaves on the atom level, or if you've seen Ant-Man, think about that level, okay? So, which one are these contact forces? It's a trick question. All of them are contact forces. Let's explain. To do that, the question asks to describe the microscopic interaction in each one of the contact forces. So tension. The microscopic interaction is caused by the pull on the rope, string, or chain. So here can be the molecules of the rope, and this is the hand molecule, and that is what is being interacted. Okay? So there's molecules on your hand that's interacting with the molecules on the rope, chain, or string. Okay? The friction force. This is the same thing where this is caused from two surfaces. So here is one surface, there's molecules right here, and there's the block on top of it, there's molecules there. The normal force is a result of the friction force. So this is in contact with any solid surface. So here, again, here's the surface interacting with what sits on it. Then lastly, the spring. This is caused from the compression or extension of the spring. So here's the spring. Think about the spring having some molecules, and it touches a block that has more molecules on it. So notice all of these, you want to think about it: chain, surface, surface, the spring. These are all solids when it comes to the type of matter. This is how all the contact forces are related. As long as you know that it is because these are all solids, their interaction will be on the microscopic level, therefore they're considered contact forces.